Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and reset your Metamask password. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, let's go ahead and open up our Metamask application right here. And once inside, let's just go ahead and say that you forgot your password. Now, after creating your Metamask account, you will then be prompted to the recovery phrase, and the only way that you could go ahead and reset your account or reset your password is by remembering that secret phrase. So to proceed, you want to go ahead and click on reset wallet right here. Are you sure you want to erase your wallet? Your current wallet, accounts, and assets will be removed from this app permanently. This action cannot be undone. So it will not go ahead and erase your account permanently. It will go ahead and only remove data that has been integrated with this application right here. Now, if you wish to proceed, you want to go ahead and click on I understand, type delete, click on delete my wallet, and after deleting your wallet right here, you could go ahead and import using the secret recovery phrase, or you could just go ahead and create a new account entirely. But let's just go ahead and say that you have saved up the recovery phrase. So you want to go ahead and click on import using recovery phrase right here. You want to go ahead and create your new password, confirm password, and basically insert your secret recovery phrase right here. So guys, the secret recovery phrase can look like this. So I have created an account. I'll go ahead and click on start. And after creating your account, you will then be prompted to write down your secret recovery phrase. You can only go ahead and reset your Metamask password by remembering your own secret recovery phrase. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.